Three Little Birds by Bob Marley is another song that uses the A, D and E major chords. Now I've simplified the chords a little bit here, so if you only know basic open chords, you can get started playing this song straight away. So we're going to start this song on an A major chord. For the first beat we actually want to hear a muted strum, so what I recommend you do is rest the right hand on the guitar there, so the side of the hand's resting across the guitar, and then strum down with the hand resting on the strings. That will get you that muted sound. Then take your hand off and strum down with the pressure on the A chord for the second beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now it's quite tricky to get started with, so take your time and keep practicing it. Now if you can see here, I'm kind of pulsing with the left hand, so pressure off, pressure on. That kind of helps with that muting sound there. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Then we go to an E major chord for one bar, same rhythm, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Back to that A major, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and... Then to a D chord, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Back to the A, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Then to an E, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and... Then to a D, back to the A. So we have A, E, A, D, and then A, E, D, A. So the D and the A swap over the last time through. So it's almost a repeat, we just swap those last two chords around. The chord progression for the chorus is a lot easier to remember than the verse. 2 bars of A, 1 bar of D, 1 bar of A, 1 repeat. So that would sound like this. 2 bars of A, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to a D, 1 bar, 3 and 4 and A for 1 bar. Then repeat. 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and to the D. Back to the A.